Races just started. We have written in the Stars break. Quick little start, moving up by the rail. Spark in the middle portion, Makati Haven. Then followed over by Might of the Wind. Next online for this time, Graceful Conqueror, Nature Chef, while Spider GT is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have written in the Stars, running by the rail is Spark, then followed over by Makati Haven. Moving up on the outside is Might of the Wind. Next online is for this time Graceful Conqueror, Spider GT now second last, while Nature Chef is running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they travel. We have written in the Stars by our length and a half. Might of the Wind in second, running by the rail third is Spark, then followed over by Makati Haven. Then here comes Graceful Conqueror, now moving up to take for the next online is for this time is Spider GT, while Nature Chef is still running at the tail of the field. Another far turn written in the Stars is Spark. Moving up now on the outside is Graceful Conqueror, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Graceful Conqueror now moves up by about half length, dropping back in second. Spark written in the Stars on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Graceful Conqueror this time by about 5 lengths. Spark in second, and finally it's Graceful Conqueror. Second, Spark. Third, close, Might of the Wind.
At yun